How you already start eating? How?
My fault. Y'all, man, this seafood mukbang. Look. Y'all see that, ain't it? You got sausage. You got the, what's that crab called?
What?
What's that crab called?
Snow crab.
We got snow crab, corn, potato.
Is it hot?
Shrimp.
I got eggs.
It is kind of spicy.
It's not as spicy as it was in Atlanta. I mean, Charlotte.
Y'all, why they put the shell on it?
They always do that.
No, they gotta make it naked, man. You can't give me that. You can't give me that. So yeah, I used to ain't deal with seafood, but now
You used to what?
I ain't deal with it. Know what I mean?
Oh, you
Hey, what
like
I do?
it?
What I do with my shells? I put them on the outside. Man, how y'all been doing, man? You know what I'm saying? I know y'all missed your boy. You missed your boy, man. No, crazy. 2020 crazy right now. Well, it been crazy, but.
What is wrong with you?
I thought the shell was on there. Y'all don't mind me. You know what I'm saying? So y'all, I got to see my son for the first time since March. For the first time since March. We had appointment Friday?
Thursday. Yo, you off. Like, off.
We had appointment Thursday. And I get to see him again Monday. You know what I'm saying?
Because he was hiding.
Yeah, he was hiding under the placenta.
What?
I just used a big word. Placenta.
My son not gonna be like that, y'all.
Name somebody who say placenta. Come on now. Come on
All the pregnant people.
now. Come on now.
All the doctors.
Come on now.
No, come on.
But y'all already know, man. Hey, this junk is busting. If you ain't got no seafood bag right now, as you watching this, go get one right now. Pause it and go get it.
Oh, Lord.
Before I get mad. You know what I'm saying, y'all? So, like, we've been slacking lately, y'all. I ain't gonna lie to you. We've been slacking. We ain't been doing no videos. I be on the game.
He is addicted to that game.
Nah, that junk interesting. You a lie?
What?
You a lie?
I'm gonna lie about what?
It's spicy.
No, it's not.
But I promise you, you gotta get in there. Fruit, hey. Go and get that right there. Minute Maid. What's the brand?
Yeah, let me tell y'all what he did that was so ignorant just now. This, while we were setting up to do the video, yeah, tell me who does this. He gonna grab his seafood bag out of the seafood bag and leave my bag in the room, so I gotta go back to the room to get my bag when he could have just grabbed both of them when he went to the... That's ignorant.
I forgot, man.
You ain't forget, you literally seen the bag in the bag
I forgot.
and left it there.
I forgot.
Who do that? Who do that?
But I gotta chill with them shells. I'm gonna call them tomorrow and tell them don't do that no more. You feel me?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
It's not spicy.
This junk good. This junk is good, man. So y'all, we got 6 weeks. 6 weeks till my son to be here, boy. 6 weeks till my son to be here, boy. 6 weeks.
Y'all see how hype he is? He ain't gonna be hype when I go into labor.
Yeah.
No, you're not.
Yeah, I'm in. I'm gonna do a TikTok.
TikTok?
Yup.
God, it's kind of hot.
I'm gonna do Chris Brown, Go Crazy. Ain't nothing think about. He should have put me in that music video, boy. I'd have hit my Mike Jack for him. Y'all, that's the real deal right there. If you stay in Columbia, South Carolina, go to Crafty Crab. Tell them K-Rob sent you. You know what I'm saying? They put their toenail in this one.
He don't ever eat seafood. He didn't eat seafood before. I used to get seafood from there and he'd be like, ew, ew, ew.
Well, yeah, what? I'm saying yum, yum. Now, this junk is good. I'm talking real good. I'm talking, I might make a song. Hey. So,
Ooh.
It's time for me to get Jazz with some more pranks.
I don't think that's a good idea.
Why?
Because I'm going to go into labor.
How we need? They gave me mad sausage.
They put a whole sausage in there.
They what?
Put a whole sausage in there.
I don't really like potato lab. This joint is spicy.
You talking about some no, we want the spicy.
No, I said hot.
This is hot.
They said hot, spicy,
And
fire.
medium.
He said fire. We would have got fire. We would have been
And
on
that's
fire.
what that bag was. The one that he
fire?
took back.
Well, I'm glad we didn't take that one because
We wouldn't have ate it.
I'd have called the police. This junk, man. Yeah. Jazz lost the camera charger.
No, I didn't. He'd be the main one that be moving stuff. I know he moved it and don't remember. He's gonna blame it on me. Go get a napkin.
I don't need no napkin because I'm digging right in there. Hear me talking? Hey. I forgot what I was gonna say.
I just spilled water.
Oh, our baby shower on
August.
August 22nd. You said when?
August 22nd.
Yeah, August 22nd, man. We lit. We lit. I'm vlogging that whole day. We gotta get what we're gonna wear.
Cause we don't
She gotta
know.
get her weave done.
Bro.
Huh?
My weave? No.
Sad. But she getting her hair done. We gotta go to the mall.
I gotta get my nails done.
I gotta go to the barber. You know, get a little slight temp fade. Baby, baby. Yeah, I thought it went hot though, talking all that junk. Talking about, isn't that spicy? Isn't that spicy? Mouth on bio.
It's not as spicy as the one that was in Atlanta. I mean in Charlotte.
Tastes the same.
What?
Let's give them a topic to talk about. What y'all want to talk about? I was talking about what they want to talk about, like they can. This joint's too good, man. Crab ain't all that good.
That's the best part.
Oh my god. Y'all, I'm just ready for my son to get here, man.
He keeps saying that. He gonna be like, you ain't gonna have no sleep.
I don't sleep anyway.
Boy, stop lying. Yes, you do.
I don't go to sleep till about 6, 7 o'clock. And I wake up at like 1, 2. This junk's so good. We got a lot of stuff for him though.
For who?
Legend. He got a lot of stuff. Yeah.
I'm scared.
Scared of what?
To give birth. I feel like that's every girl though.
Scared to give birth?
Mm-hmm. That's something guys don't have to go through.
I go
well,
through
you don't
it.
go through anything.
I go through it.
No, you don't.
When you give birth, I give birth. I'm pushing right with you.
But you're not pushing. You're not even gonna be looking.
I'm pushing. I ain't got to look to push.
I ain't gonna look. I'm gonna be pushing.
As soon as I see his little donut,
His little what?
I'm gonna start grinding.
His what?
His donut.
What's donut?
His head.
Oh.
I'm gonna start crying, man. My mini me, man. You know what I'm saying? Ooh.
I know he gonna be so bad. I just have a feeling he gonna be bad.
Wow. He ain't gonna be bad.
Cause of the way you be acting.
He gonna be goofy.
That's not goofy. That's ignorant. He don't need to do that.
How that's ignorant? Y'all, is that ignorant?
But
Nah,
do
ain't
something
ignorant.
that you be doing.
What?
Dumb things that you be doing.
I don't do nothing dumb.
Yes, you do.
That's just my personality.
No, babe. You be doing some funny stuff. My son gonna come back from school with a note in his agenda that's gonna say your son was being bad.
Oh, no, you're not. I'm gonna tear his tail up. We ain't gonna play about school now. Cause I played in school and I regret it. So I'm gonna make sure, like, you know, he don't mess around in school, cause that's important.
What do you mean you played in school?
I played around school.
Like you ain't cared?
Yeah.
I cared.
I
My
just
mama
cared,
gonna watch this shit and be like, oh, you ain't care.
I just cared about sports.
I cared about school.
She know that. I care about sports. That's why she was on me a lot. School just wasn't for me.
School. I ain't been to school in a minute.
Yeah, you gonna be in school for
Get a license, anything. You can be in school to do anything.
Hey, I don't think I've vlogged anything since my birthday. So look, how about y'all tell me happy birthday? Cause I will get real angry. So say it.
We ain't vlogged for my birthday.
I ain't say vlog. I said I want them to tell me happy birthday. Cause
Your birthday was last month. We're in a whole new month.
that's why I just said I want them to tell me happy birthday.
They don't need to
Cause I
tell
ain't
you
vlog.
happy birthday.
Tell me happy birthday, please. It made my day so much better.
Shut up. Like, just shut up.
Nah, no cap though.
What?
Nah. I forgot.
Talk to them about what you think about the FBG duck.
FBG duck? Nah, I ain't speaking on that.
Why?
I let Chicago deal with that. I ain't got nothing to do with that.
That's crazy. He died.
I let them speak on that. I'm in Colombia.
He's scared. I don't want to talk about it.
Scared of who?
But I'll talk about it.
Scared of who?
I can't believe he died like that.
Scared of who?
You scared to talk about it.
I just said I ain't got nothing to do with me.
And it's crazy how it happened randomly though.
It wasn't randomly, it was just in broad day.
Yeah.
Yo, I really almost ate this whole bag. I ain't never did that.
Me did.
You crazy. I got 2 sausages left.
You ain't need no
corn.
potato.
I just told you I ain't like potato like that. Y'all, she don't listen to me. Yeah.
What's today? What's today's date?
The 35th. Say it's the 8th. Wow.
It's August the 8th. Watch this video not be up to August something else. Watch. Watch.
Oh, she be acting like my fault the camera went out. She be acting like she don't know how to edit.
I don't.
She don't know how to pick up the camera.
Nah, but let me tell y'all something though. The reason why the videos don't be getting uploaded is because he be on the game. He be on the game.
We back on our grind though, you feel me? I'm back on the grind. Cause guess what? I ain't got no money. So
Babe. Oh my god.
I need all the marinara I can get. And we ain't even start getting paid yet. Bro, how you bite that?
Like that.
Y'all, Jay, I gotta get a wisdom teeth pulled. I'ma be there. I wanna hear everything
No.
she got.
I don't think you should be there. That's
I wanna
weird.
hear everything she gotta say, cause the one time she slip up and say something she ain't got no business, get what? It's gonna be a bad day.
Why would I say something I ain't got no business saying?
Could that?
Cause what?
That what they be doing?
No.
What? You ain't eat nothing.
Yes, I did. You crazy.
Ain't no sunshine. Oh, Mary, Mary.
Ignorant.
I know, they're good, man.
What
Hey.
was we talking about?
I forgot.
Oh, I gotta get my wisdom teeth pulled out. It's getting so bad up to the point where like sometimes my ear feels like there's water in it and I can't hear nothing out of it. But the reason why I can't get it pulled out right now is because I'm in my 3rd trimester and they don't want to put anesthesia in me right now while I'm pregnant.
Who?
The dentist. Go get a napkin.
Then I'm gonna get it dirty. Wonder, do you miss me when I'm on the road? Did I sing that wrong? Ah. I did.
Saying it right.
What I said?
Wonder if you miss me when I'm on the road.
Oh, I said it right? You miss me when I'm on the road? I don't be on the road.
I know.
I'd be right here.
But what you said?
What?
Before that?
Uh-huh.
You're trying to open it.
Uh-oh. 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 I found the gold.
A lot of people like the cluster, but like,
What's that?
this.
Oh. That's where all the meat at.
I remember, Charlotte, I gave you my. What the hell? Is it my hair? Oh no, it's not.
Oh. I ain't never had that right there.
Bro, keep that illiterate stuff over there.
Over there is illiterate.
Over there.
Over there is illiterate.
You don't even know what illiterate means.
It means when you talk dumb.
It literally means when you talk dumb.
Like you ain't making sense.
Okay.
Yeah, boy, you thought I was dumb?
Okay.
What's wrong with you? I know I ain't got butter in my... Bruh.
What?
I got butter in my drink.
Y'all, every time I go somewhere, they'll be like, you're pregnant? You're how far along? That'd be killing me. I'll be feeling some type of way because I feel like that's ignorant.
You don't like that?
No. You're too small to be that far along.
My son just gonna be a small baby. I was a small baby. But that's what they say.
You probably was. Give me stuff.
But look, I'm big now. Give you some what?
I ain't said give me none.
What you said?
I ain't saying.
Bro, why you got the same bag as me?
I
why
don't
you...
got no more potatoes.
I ain't got one. Hold on, get that one.
I don't want that one.
You just wanted to dig. Ain't even want nothing over here.
Yes, I did. I wanted a potato.
Yeah.
Nah, you know whose kid be like loving seafood? Terrell and Cece's. Boy, he be in there. Not Tay. What's his name? You don't remember his name?
Who?
What you did? Cece's kid.
I think TJ.
CJ. I think
It's not CJ, it's TJ.
TJ or CJ?
I don't know. I think it's TJ.
Yeah,
cause his name Tashawn. That's his name, Tashawn.
Is that Tashawn and Tavian?
Good. I think.
Boy, they gonna beat you up.
They gonna beat you up. Wonder if you miss me. Watch this, y'all. I'm about to pop. Oh. Pop. Lock and drop it. Pop. Come on now. Boy, if you don't back your... I'm telling you. Telling you. You mad?
Ignorant.
Man,
I ain't putting nothing on you.
I just, all that grease down there, you talking about you ain't putting nothing on me. Come on, stop doing it. Just move your hand. I get you a napkin in a few.
Go get it.
I get you one.
But it's not even me doing that though. It's the table because
No.
you got squirts everywhere.
That's you putting it on my leg.
Come on, go get it, man.
What's wrong with you?
All right, keep talking. Keep talking.
How am I gonna get the napkin in my hands?
You have to. One of us got to. I'm not doing it.
Well, you just gotta wait till you're done. I'm almost done, so I get it in a minute. If you don't move your hand, you trying to be sneaky, bro.
Be sneaky.
Yeah, you are.
I put it on my son. I'm not.
I ain't gonna tell you again. Don't put it on my son. Uh-oh. I see bacon.
I seen it.
I see bacon.
But you don't get it.
I see bacon. Who?
Give me.
That joint right there, boy. That's what I'm talking about.
It's not that spicy no more.
What ain't?
The food.
It got cold.
That's what.
I'm done though.
So get a napkin.
I ate all mine.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I did.
He ain't eat no corn, he ain't eat no potatoes. There's no point of the bag. The bag is literally
Corn.
crab.
Stop flexing,
And
bro.
shrimp.
Show in the bag.
You ain't eat it all.
Show in the bag, man. I ain't eat it all.
Look, there's a whole crab leg in his thing right here. Open. I mean closed. You ain't eat it all. Tell you be lying. Ignorant. I asked you for a napkin. You gonna grab a whole bunch of napkins like.
I forgot. I forgot, man.
Oh Lord.
Ah. So y'all, I'm done with my food. You done with yours? You done? All that food in there now.
Ain't no food in there.
Anyways, y'all, this is the end of this mukbang. Like, comment, subscribe. Sign out. Like, comment, subscribe, man. You already know. 2K. What's your name?
Jazz.
2K and Jazz, man. And you know what I'm saying?
The next video.
What?
The next video is gonna be an update on Legend.
Yeah.
We're gonna put an ultrasound.
Yeah.
Well, he gonna put an ultrasound because I don't know how to do that.
Yeah. So I'm gonna update that Monday. I'm gonna upload that Monday. So you know, turn on post notifications. We see y'all soon. Peace out. Family. We about to be a family.
You just said what though?
I said peace out, family.
Oh.
Gon' be my queen, Jasmine, be with